A very good morning to class 7 student. Class 7 student, this one is a computer period. Now we completed the second chapter. The name of the chapter is More on MS Windows 10. MS Windows, the full form of this is Microsoft Windows 10. 10 is the version. Version means the addition. You know, right now 2021 is going on, so window 21 is also in the market, but window 10 is powerful than the 2021. So so that's why sometimes we are not going to upgrade the modification of the system softwares, whatever the softwares are available in the market, because it happens, the old software are very powerful than the new versions. Now we already completed the chapter, so all of you, I believe you have done the some MCQs also, MCQs of the chapter. Let us learn about the MCQs. Then after we'll go through the fill-ups and the question and answer. Before that, we have to do the MCQs. So first of all, student, you have to note down the definitions of the this chapter. The definition: file explorer. What is file explorer? File explorer, the definition is this is used to explore the folder and subfolder present in the hard disk of the computer. File explorer means this is used to explore the folders. Explore means to show you the folders and subfolder present in the hard disk of the computer. Quick access, as the word suggests, quick access means whenever you want to access anything uh, in a quick way is called quick access. They show both your most recent access folders and pinned folders. Then the library. What is library? These are collection of folders which are used to manage different content. In libraries you get all the things which are available in your computer. These are collection of folders where all the folders are available. In inside the folder the files are there. And shortcuts, you are creating, sometimes you are creating a shortcuts to go to the files or folders. This is an icon that points to a program or data file, right? So I hope all of you have made this diagram also. Window 10 divided into 5 parts: file explorer, organized file folders, on screen keyboard, creating shortcuts, burning of CD and DVD. I believe all of you have done this. File Explorer divided into two parts: working in File Explorer, libraries. Working in File Explorer again divided into two parts: quick access and ribbon. And ribbon is divided into three parts: home, share, view. And then organized file folders divided into six parts: creating a new file folders, rename file folders, deleting a file folders, moving, copying file folders, viewing properties of file folders, copying file folders. So this diagram tells us about the Windows 10 branches. Uh, how many ways the things are included in Windows 10. So these are the option. Basically there are 5 options and we have sub options of that 5 options also. So you need to do is, students, you have to draw this diagram in your computer notebook, so it's understand you, right? I hope all of you have done the fill-ups of this chapter. The fill-ups are: file explorer. First fill-up: file explorer is the file management application in Windows 10. File Explorer is the file management application in Windows 10. That one is called File Explorer. Then the next one, dash is situated at the top of the File Explorer. In the top of the File Explorer, which is situated, ribbon. Then the third one, dash button on the View tab help to arrange the file and folders in ascending or descending order. Which option is going to arrange the file and folders in ascending or descending order? All of you, I believe, I think all of you know the answer of this one. Sort by. Through sort by we can arrange the file and folders in ascending or descending orders, right? The next one, we can get back our deleted file or folder from recycle bin placed on the desktop. Everybody knows that. uh, some of you have this type of facility in your mobile phones also. Sometimes what had happened, we unfortunately we deleted the necessary files also. So what we can do is we can reinstall that particular file from the recycle bin. In a recycle bin, giving us one chance to restore the files again in a computer, in a system. And if we delete that particular file from a recycle bin also, so it's not possible to restore that particular file, right? So that's why the recycle bin, we can get our deleted file or folders from the recycle bin placed on the desktop, which is available on the desktop. The last one, shortcut on desktop. We are arranging the shortcuts of the desktop. Shortcut in the desktop also is a direct link to a program on the computer. Whenever we are going to direct to a program, what we have to do, we have to create a shortcuts on the desktop. So now moving forward to the true and false. The first one, Microsoft Cloud Storage Service. One device does not exist in quick access. Yes, this one is false, because cloud storage service OneDrive does not exist in the quick access. It's false. It exists quick access. Then the B, list view displays the files and folders at as a list proceed by small icons. Absolutely correct. List view display the file folders as a list. Absolutely correct. So this one is true. Then moving forward to the next one. Sorted by option can be displayed the folder only in ascending order. No, it's false, because sorted by option arrange the folders in ascending and descending both the orders. So this one is false. The properties of a file folder cannot be viewed. False. We can view the property of the file and folders. We can check out the storage capacity of that particular file and folders also. There are no difference in the basic and the advanced on screen keyboard. No, false, because there is a big difference between the basic and the advanced on screen keyboard. Yes. So now moving forward to the matchups. Students, you need to write it down in your copies, matchups, and the true false and the MCQs also. And then after send it to me in my personal WhatsApp number. And I hope all of you are fit and fine. And students, take care about yourself with your families and your families also. Wash your hands time to time. Take care yourself. Wear mask whenever you are going out from your home. uh, Basically I told you, I tell you students, no need to go anywhere from your home, because everywhere there are corona patients are there, so it's very dangerous for us. So no need to go anywhere. Now moving forward to the matchups. View tab. View tab is belongs to extra large icons, because through viewing tab we can check out the large, extra large icons. Navigation pane, all of you know that the navigation means whenever we are going to check out the things is called navigation pane. Show libraries. Recycle bin, we already discussed about that. Through recycle bin we can restore the deleted files. So recycle bin is also be a necessary part of our computer system, because without that we can't be able to handle the system. Sometime what had happened, sometime the files and the folders are unfortunately by mistaken they get deleted from our system. So for example, we are working for 1 week in one file, and unfortunately one that file get deleted from our hand by mistaken. So what had happened? We can reinstall that particular file from the recycle bin itself. Then the next one is home tab. What is home tab? New folder. Home tab is a new folder. Through home tab we can make a new folders or the files. Properties, all of you know that the meaning of the properties, detailed information of a file. You can look at through properties, you can check out the detailed information of the file or folders. Now moving forward to the MCQs. Multiple choice questions. Ribbon of the file explorer has these three tabs. Which three tabs are there in ribbon file folder? Ribbon of the file explorer, home, start and view. How many? Three tabs are there. The basic three tabs are home, start and view. Then the next one, the following action can be performed on folder. Which action can be performed uh, on folders? Create and delete folder, rename a folder, move or copy a folder. So we can perform all the functions in the folders. So all of the above is the correct answer. Then the next one, C. We press dash from the keyboard to paste a folder. When we are copying a folder, after that if you want to paste that folder, but we have to press Ctrl plus V for the paste option. Then the next one, the file folder can be grouped inside a folder. The file folders can be grouped inside a folder according to these categories. Which categories? We can group the folders according to these categories. It's up to us. Date, modify, size, type and name. So by default they are categorized like this: date, modify, size, type and name, right? So these are the file and folders can be grouped inside a folder according these categories. Then the last one, the type of on-screen keyboard available are. Which type of on-screen keyboards are available? Two types, advanced and basic. So which one is the answer? Both first and second. The third one is the answer, correct answer of E. So we have done the matchups and the MCQ. So what you need to do is you have to note it down in your classwork copies as well as in your books. Okay. So students, now moving forward to the question and answers. We are moving forward to the question and answer. The first question. What are pinned folder? What are pinned folders? Pinned, a file or folder to the top of a folder, so it always appear at the top from easy occurs. When you pin a file or a folder, it's pinned for everyone who has access to that folder. Everyone who has access can pin and unpin that file or a folder, right? So again I am going to repeat this answer. What are pinned folders? What are pinned folders? Means, what does it means? What are pinned folders? Pinned, a file or folder to the top of the folder. We can pin the folders or files on the top of the folder, so it always appear at the top. So it always appear at the top for easy occurrence. When you pin a file or a folder, it pinned for everyone who has access to that folder. Everyone who has access can pin or unpin that file or folders. You can pin or unpin as per your choice, whatever you want. The next question. What is the use of sort by button? on the View tab. What is the use of Sort By button on the View tab? Sort By button arranges the file and folders in various options. The folders are displayed as per the selection made in the menu of Sort By. The folders can be displayed in ascending or descending order of the folder file name. So what does it mean? What is the use by Sort By button on the View tab? On the View tab, Sort By button is there. Through Sort By button, we can arrange the file and folders in ascending or descending order. It's up to us. So we can arrange in ascending or descending order uh, by name, by size. It's up to us. Right, so again I am going to tell you the answer of this one. What is the use of this Sort By button on the View tab? Sort By button arranges the file and folders in various options. The folder are displayed as per the selection made in the menu of Sort By. The folder can be displayed in ascending or descending order of the folder file name. What are libraries? All of you know the meaning of the library because many of you have seen the libraries in which in where types of books are available. You can avail a facility of books from that location. So in the same manner, in computer also there was a library. So what are library? Library are a collection of folders which are used to manage different content. These gathered edit folder that are stored in different location. So we can explore them in one place. So again I am going to repeat this one. What are libraries? What are libraries? Libraries are a collection of folders which are used to manage different content. These gathered edit folder that are stored in different location, so we can explore them in one place. That one is called a library. What are library? Library are a collection of folders which are used to manage different content. These gathered edit for folders that are stored in different location, so we can explore them in one place is called library. Now moving forward to the next one. How can you create a new folder from the ribbon menu? It's very easy, students. You can create a new folder from the ribbon menu. How? So I am going to tell you. To create a new folder from the ribbon menu, first of all, what the first step is what? Navigate to the location we want to folder to be in. Navigate. First of all, you have to find it out in which location you want a folder to be in. Then the second one, click on the new folder in the home tab. In a home tab, you have an option of new folder. You have to click on that. Automatically the folder has been created. So you can create a new folder from the ribbon menu. So ribbon is what? Through which we get the options over there, and simply we have to click on that particular options and automatically the things are be generated. It is called the ribbon menu, right? So the answer is how you create a new folders from the ribbon menu. To create a new folders from the ribbon menu, first step, navigate to the location we want to folder to be in. Then the second step, click on the new folder in the home tab. That's it. Then the next question, E question. Name the type of on-screen keyboard. Name the types of on-screen keyboard. How many type of on-screen keyboard are there? There are two type of on-screen keyboards are there. First one is basic touch keyboard. Then the second one is advanced on-screen keyboard. There are two type of on-screen keyboards are there. First is basic touch keyboard. The second one is advanced on-screen keyboard. Right? Then the last question, F. What is the shortcut? As the word suggests, all of you know the meaning of the shortcut. All of you, I believe all of you know the meaning of this one. What is shortcut? Right? But in computer words, what is shortcut? Shortcut is an icon. Shortcut is an icon that points to a program or data file. It is a direct link to the program on the computer. The file is not physically stored on the desktop. File is not physically stored on the desktop, and whenever you are going to click on that particular option, shortcut menu, it your cursor automatically goes to the file. So this one is the use of a shortcut menu. Shortcut. So now again we are going, I'm going to tell you the question and answer once again. What are pinned folders? Pinned a file or folder to the top of the folder, so it always appear at the top for easy access. When you pin a file or folder, it pinned for everyone who has access to that folder. Everyone who has access can pin and unpin that file or folders. Right? So what are pin folders? All of you know that the meaning of the pin folders. Pin a file or folders to the top of the folder, so it always appear at the top for easy occurrence, easy access. When you pin a file or folder, it pinned for everyone who has access to that folder. Everyone who has access can pin and unpin that file or folder. So now moving forward to the next question. What is the use of the sort by button on the view tab? Sort by button arrange the file and folders in various options. The folders are displayed as per the selection mode in the menu of sort by. The folders can be displayed in ascending or descending order of the file and folders name. So again I am going to repeat this one. What is the use of sort by button on the view tab? Sort by button arrange the file and folders in various options. The options are like you can arrange the file and folders according to their size and according to their capacity. The file and folder displays as per the selection mode in the menu of sort by. The folders can be displayed in ascending or descending order of the file or folder name. So now moving forward to the next one. What are libraries? Libraries are collection of folders. Libraries are collection of folders which are used to manage different content. These gathered added folders that are stored in different location, so we can explore them in one place. What are libraries? All of you know the meaning of the library. What are libraries? Because you have seen every school having a library. Library are collection of folders which are used to manage different content. These gathered added folders that are stored in different location, so we can explore them in one place. Right? So how can you create a new file or folder from the ribbon? To create a new file or folder from the ribbon menu. To create a new folder from the ribbon menu, the steps you have to take. First step is navigate to the location. First of all, you have to navigate the location we want to folder to be in. Click on the new folder in the home tab. Then what had happened? Automatically new folder is generated on that particular location. So again I am going to repeat this one. How can you create a new folder from the ribbon menu? To create a new folder from the ribbon menu, first step, navigate to the location we want the folder to be in. Second step, click on the new folder in the home tab. So automatically what had happened? The file The folder has been generated in front of you. The second last question. Name the types of on-screen keyboard. All of you know that we already discussed about that. There are two type of on-screen keyboards are there. Two types of on-screen keyboards are there. First is basic touch keyboard and the second one is basic touch keyboard which are available in your computer lab. They are the basic touch keyboards. And the second one is advanced on-screen keyboards. Advanced on-screen keyboard. There are two types of on-screen keyboards. Basic touch keyboard, advanced on-screen keyboards. The last one, what is shortcut? What is shortcut? All of you know the meaning of the shortcut. Shortcut is an icon that points to a program or data file. It is a direct link to the program on the computer. Shortcut is an icon that points to a program or data file. It is a direct link to the program on the computer. The file is not physically stored on the desktop. Physically it's not stored in the desktop, but whenever you are going to click on that, it take you on that particular place where the file is stored. So this one is the that's why we are creating the shortcut. Shortcut is an icon that points to a program or data file. It is direct link to the program or the computer. The file is not physically stored on the desktop. So we already done the question and answers, all of you. So students, it's very necessary to write question and answers in your classwork copies. So all of you, you need to note down the question and answer. I am sending you the question and answers in your class group. So you need to note it down all the question and answer in your classwork notebook, right? Then after you have to send it to me in my personal WhatsApp number. So all of you, take care of yourself, don't go anywhere, and wash your hands time to time, and whenever you are going to anywhere, wear mask and wash your hand time to time. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care of yourself. Goodbye.